Hi, I am Van Aral Monje, and I am your guide to the herd of the Radazas. So you guys might be wondering why Radaza and not Monje. It's because this is a family residence of my mother's side of the family. This is acquired by the Radaza siblings, and now several family members live in this household. We are an extended family. In our home, there's my Lola, the primary homemaker, my mother, a working mom, Kuya Ichan, the padre de familia of another branch of the Radaza family, which includes Timothy, the baby of the house, and Ate Jeng, the noble housewife. And there's me, the academic. As an extended family, we are a conglomerate of different personalities with common family values. To keep our household afloat, we each take on different responsibilities. They say we take these roles to maintain our household, but in fact, it's just our way to keep our family spirit invigorated. Ano ang mga disadvantages ng may extended family?
Ayun nga, lack of privacy. Kasi hindi mo magawa yung gusto mong gawin. Tapos yung mga personal things mo na pwede mong ipatong sa lamesa, hindi mo mga ganun ba?
Ikaw, Ate Jeng.
Karagdagang budget. Kasi nga, since marami kami, mas malaki yung gastos.
Mismatch ng ugali. Minsan hindi nagkakasundo.
Despite the disadvantages posed by this kind of family dynamics, we resolve these problems by putting the best interest of the family first. We might assume different responsibilities, but we don't really necessarily have to do them alone. We can easily take over for each other or simply help each other out. In every interaction, bonds are forged, principles are cultivated, and identities are strengthened. No matter how many seeds you plant, you'll always find yourself go back to the roots that grounded you. As long as I'm with my family, I feel like I could conquer anything in the world. Dahil ika nga ni Cara David, ang mabigat ay kumagaan kapag marami ang pumapasan.